Hello and welcome to today's session on Google Analytics 4. I am Professor Amit Bhadra and I'll be your guide as we explore this powerful tool together. Google Analytics is a free tool provided by Google. It is a little piece of code that sits in the back of your website, tracks all the movements on your website, and provides metrics for a wide range of activities performed by users accessing the website. Google Analytics provides valuable insights into website traffic, including the number of visitors, their geographic locations, and the devices they use. It tracks user behavior, such as pages visited, time spent on the site, and actions taken, like purchases or form submissions. Google has set up a dashboard linked to a functioning online retail store called Google Merchandise Store. The Google Analytics dashboard linked to the Google Merchandise Store can be accessed by anybody by creating a Google Analytics account. This access can be used to explore the functionality of Google Analytics, as we will do now. This is the Google Analytics homepage. In the main dashboard to the left, there are active users, event count, key events, and engagement time. It has a section to the top right which gives information about users in the last 30 minutes. The home page can be customized. The lower section of the dashboard gives you information about sessions by country, by source, such as direct from Google, from related websites, from newsletters, and from social media handles. You can view session source by medium and by campaign as well. You can go to the report section from the menu to the left. There are four major heads: acquisition, engagement, monetization, and retention. These heads apply to all kinds of websites, and hence it has been included as a standard dashboard. Additionally, there's a section on user profiling. In the acquisition dashboard, you have four subsections: overview, user acquisition, traffic acquisition, and user acquisition cohorts. This screenshot shows the dashboards for the overview section. You can explore each of the four subsections to understand the details provided. Next, you can go to the engagement section that tells you what they did on the website. The overview section contains standard charts such as average engagement time, number of views, event count by event name, views by page title, user activity over time, and user stickiness. In the event section, the report can be customized for a country, city, a demographic, a source, a specific campaign, a platform, a device, or a time. The events listed include page views, session start times, viewed user engagement, promotion, first visit, and item selected. The pages and screens dashboard tells you which pages people went to, how many times the page was viewed, how many active users were there, what was the time spent on each page, and so on. The landing page dashboard tells you which pages people landed up on, how many active users landed up on each page, how much time they spent on the page, and so on. Next, we have the monetization section, where the subsections are the overview section, the e-commerce section, the purchase journey, checkout, promotions, and transactions. Next section is retention, where you have details of new users, returning users, user retention by cohort, user engagement by cohort, total user retention, and total user engagement. The user attribute section provides information on active users by country, active users in the last 30 minutes, active users by city, users by gender, users by interest, users by age, and users by language. The text section provides information on active users by platform, active users by platform in the last 30 minutes, active users by operating system, active users by platform within a customizable time period, by device category, by browser, and by screen resolution. You can go to the top right corner and change the time frame from today and yesterday to the last week, last 7 days, last 28 days, and so on. You can activate the compare feature, which gives data on previous period. For example, if the current period chosen is 90 days, you can activate the previous 90 days and look at comparable data from that period. In the screenshot, you'll see two sets of data for each variable, data for the current period and data for the previous period. You can run comparisons for a specific variable between all users and users of a specific country. In the screenshot, you can see comparisons between all users and users from India. That wraps up today's session. I encourage you to explore Google Analytics 4 further by diving into the Google Merchandise Store application. It's a great way to see the tool in action. If you are serious about using your website to communicate effectively and create real value, Google Analytics is truly essential. Thank you for your time and attention, and I wish you success on your analytic journey.